Hi, I'm Jeff Anderson, Executive Chef and Director of Innovation. I'm here today to talk to you about all the great meat products you'll find available exclusively within our stores. We're going to talk about chicken, beef, pork and lamb in O Organics and Open Nature brands, which are exclusive to our stores. You won't find them anywhere else. When you go to the store, it helps to know what you want to cook before you get there, meaning which protein, and think about how you want to cook it. So that way, when you get to the butcher case or meat counter, you know what to ask for and you can tell them what you're looking for. Think about uniformity of size when you're selecting multiple cuts of the same item so that way things cook the same. And if you're going to buy something that's got a bone in it, know that it's going to take longer to cook. We have a variety of all-natural, antibiotic-free, and organic chicken options within our stores in the Open Nature and O Organics brands. For pan frying, grilling, or roasting, I love our boneless, skinless chicken breast, our thighs. They both taste great on the grill or in the oven. For 100% all-natural chicken flavor, look for our air-chilled chicken. Our grass-fed Open Nature lamb is high quality and truly a hidden gem within our stores. There's a variety of cuts to choose from, but my favorite are the lamb loin chops or T-bones. The reason I love them is because they have both the sirloin and the tenderloin, which is delicious and super tender. These are perfect for grilling or roasting. This is high quality lamb with great exceptional flavor and an incredible value. Our Open Nature Duroc pork is available exclusively within our stores. It's 100% all natural with no added hormones or antibiotics. Duroc is a heritage breed that is raised on family farms. It's known for its superior marbling and exceptional quality. Depending on how you want to cook, for example, if you want to put something in a slow cooker or smoker, look for larger cuts like a pork shoulder. But for a quick grilling option and a great meal, look for pork tenderloins or pork chops. Our Open Nature and O Organics brands of beefs are available exclusively within our stores. They're 100% grass-fed and grass-finished and provide exceptional quality and taste. Our butchers are happy to cut any cut you want, but we've got a wide variety of steaks within our stores, and some of my favorite are the New Yorks and the ribeyes. I love New Yorks because they're lean, easy to cook, and easy to cut, whereas a ribeye steak has more fat, which equals more flavor, but it requires a little bit longer cooking to melt that fat and to make it more tender. Check out the quality beef you'll find in our stores. Nowhere else will have it. As you can see, we have a wide variety of meat and poultry options in both O Organics and Open Nature brands. You'll find these items available exclusively within our stores. Shop for them there.